खुशामदीद नाजरीन, तेलंगाना ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ चैनल में आप सभी का खैर मकदम है। नाजरीन, हैदराबाद के पुराने शहर के इलाके दबीरपुरा नागाबौली के रहने वाले सुमैया फातिमा, जो स्लेट दी स्कूल गन फाउंड्री एबिड्स के तालिबा है, उन्होंने एसएससी इम्तिहान में 600 में से 586 मार्क्स हासिल करते हुए अपनी एक अलग पहचान बना ली। स्कूल इंतजामिया की जानिब से उन्हें स्कूल में टॉप फर्स्ट रैंक हासिल करने पर तहनीत पेश की गई और इनकी कामयाबी को खूब ज्यादा सराहा गया। प्रिंसिपल नेहा शर्मा ने उनके वालिदैन का भरपूर ताउन के लिए शुक्रिया अदा किया।
I also know that your parents are here, Sumaya. Can you have Sumaya's parents also on stage, please? Keep the claps going, ladies and gentlemen. That is Sumaya Fatima, 586 out of 600 in the SSC public examinations.
Good evening everyone, this is Neha Suryavanshi. I am the principal of Slade the School, Abbots Wing. Sumaya has made us proud. Slade the School is privileged and we are fortunate to have children like these who will come in flying colors. I have been watching her journey since 7 to 8 years, and whenever there is a competition, the first name we strike to our mind was Sumaya's, and she always shined through whenever there was a competition. I still remember Lasa Lamsa, right? The competition wherein we thought that she will be coming in flying colors, and she stand out, and then we are very proud of her. Always. Congratulations, dear.
After practicing in classes,
It's very good. We always, encourage children. We are always we never go for rote learning. We are concept-based teaching methodology we follow here. And Amarnath sir is always, always he works hard and always have this mindset wherein children should outshine. And he always never thinks about only the classroom learning. He feels that children they should have a 360 degrees of development. That is the reason we have introduced Sampurnata, and the name also which we have given is Sampurnata, because we believe in overall development of the child. Not only bookish knowledge, but overall development is what matters, and that will really help them throughout their future.
do you know about that? Can you please think about how she got topper? Do you think about that?
Yes, definitely. She is a hardworking child. Hard work, along with that, the guidance given by teachers and the management, everyone had worked together. Parents also, they also play a very pivotal role. All put together had, resulted in such a good result. Thank you.
Sumaya is a very bright student, very hardworking, and she has got the potential to be the very best in whichever field she chooses. So wishing her all the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's all the nutrition, warm to the chick. But when comes the right time, it ensures that the chick becomes a bird and flies out of the nest. Right? This is that time for you. At Slade, all your teachers have given you required skills, have imparted required skills in you to ensure that you lead successful and fulfilled lives. See, when I say successful, I'm not only talking about marks. I'm not talking about, securing a good seat in a good college or getting a good job with a great.
Good evening to one and all. Today is a truly special day for me. Scoring 586 out of 600 is not just my achievement. It is the result of the hard work of my teachers and my parents. To my teachers, I would like to say that their unwavering encouragement, support and sacrifice is the result I am here. To my parents, I would like to say that their belief in me have allowed me to have confidence in myself. Their endless prayers, sleepless night and sacrifices is the result I am here. And I would like to say that success not only demands you to be everyday perfect, but it does require consistency, belief and faith in you. You might have some days where you have doubt, pressure and fear and even failure. But I say that don't let them define you, let them shape you. I am very thankful for this honor that I am here, and I hope I will make my school, my teachers and my parents proud once again. Thank you.